remembering the victims of COVID, sharing the stories of their lives.
We miss my mom so much. Like, she was the heart of the family, and she brought everyone together.
I miss my grandma. She was really nice. She would take us everywhere she went and stuff.
Church and all of that. So she loved to go to church with her grandma.
Was your grandma good at throwing parties?
Yeah, she was great. We threw parties like every single month or probably every 3 or 4 weeks.
Uh-huh.
Well, you must have really looked forward to that.
Yeah.
The food will be good. I'm gathering all her recipes she wrote down and printed out, and I want to make her like a little recipe book, and possibly we can go, make a Patricia's cookbook, because she have like, I'm going to say maybe this thick worth of recipes. When COVID-19 happened, my mom was like a careful person. She had Lysol wipes, so many masks. She didn't want people to be close to her at all. Like, this probably would be, she like bag up, So for her to get it, it's like she was so careful. It was November the 16th or 17th. I got a phone call from my cousin. She said, your mom's on the phone. She's in the ER. They think she has COVID. And pretty much she called me on the phone. It's like, hey, Brittany, I'm really scared. I was like, Mom, it's going to be okay. You a fighter. You get through it.
On December 4th, 2020, Brittany Johnson and Amia Anderson moved from Las Vegas back home to Ferguson to be closer to their ailing loved one. Doctors placed Patricia Johnson in a medically induced coma for several days in an effort to save her life. Initially, she showed improvement after coming out of the coma, but Johnson eventually died of complications from COVID-19 on January 6, 2021.
Her house is exactly how she left it, except we brought our bedroom sets. But it makes me feel comfortable and at ease, that it feels like she's at home.